Hello everybody, Scott here. Wanted to show you these waterproof abrasive sandpaper strips that I got to be able to work on my hobbies. I got these mostly for finishing off resin projects, but I also have a bunch of other hobbies. So go ahead and open up the package here and show you them. Alright, got these out of the package here. So go ahead and show you them. So they do start out at 120, it goes all the way up to 5,000 grit. So obviously 120 is going to be your most abrasive, and your 5,000 going to be the least or the smoothest. So here's your 120 grit. Looks like there's 3 sheets of that one, and then you go to 150. Then you got 180, 240, 320, 400, 600, 800, 1,000, 1,200, 1,500, 2,000, 2,500, 3,000, and then 5,000. There are three strips of each, or 3 sheets, whatever you want to call them, of each abrasiveness. So that's pretty much it. Just wanted to show you these real quick.